guys, today I'll show you how you can add Airwallex to your WooCommerce WordPress website. So let's get started. First, make sure you have 3 things ready: an active Airwallex account, a WordPress website, and WooCommerce already installed and set up on your store. Now, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New and search for the Airwallex payment plugin for WooCommerce. Once you find it, click on Install and then activate the plugin. After activation, go to WooCommerce and open the Settings section. Then click on the Payments tab. Here, you'll see Airwallex listed as a payment method. Click on it and turn it on. Next, you need to connect your Airwallex account. Open your Airwallex dashboard in another tab. Go to the Developer or API section and generate your API credentials, like Client ID and API key. Now, go back to WooCommerce and paste these details into the required fields in the Airwallex settings. Make sure everything is entered correctly to avoid connection errors. After that, configure the payment options. You can choose which payment methods to accept, set your preferred currency, and adjust other settings like payment capture or transaction behavior. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. It's recommended to test the checkout process by placing a test order to confirm everything is working properly. Now, your WooCommerce WordPress website is successfully connected with Airwallex, and you can start accepting payments from customers worldwide. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.